Give me one reason.
Because I got it said no!
What? Just give a better reason than that.
No! I don't need a goddamn reason!
So, Dad told me yesterday. It was yesterday.
So
told
what?
me yesterday.
I see a lot of things.
Yeah, well, he told me yesterday he needs a roommate or something to help pay bills. And I said, what about Mom?
Hell no! I divorced her! You know what divorce means? Means separate! No longer together! Get the fuck out of my house!
Yeah, but you said, did you not say you need someone to help pay bills?
Yeah, I do,
yes,
but...
No.
Yeah, I do!
No.
Yeah, I do, yeah, I do!
I think it's a good
You
idea.
need to stay the hell out of it!
Okay, so I talked to her already. Ah!
What I think about the whole thing?
Oh, stop! What are you doing?
Oh my god!
You put a hole in it!
Goddamn!
Stop!
I don't want her here!
Stop!
Can't you understand?
Oh my god! Okay, I'm backing
Don't
up.
want her here!
No, stop!
Oh my god!
Oh, oh, it's cracking! Oh.
I don't want her here! She's not coming to my house! You understand?
I'll call
She's
her.
not coming
Yes,
here! She's not coming!
I'll call her. Now what?
Now what?
Oh shit!
Oh, the other side's still there!
Stop! Then we can try to fucking fix this somehow.
How you gonna fix this?
God.
Stop, Dad! Oh, Jesus!
Oh my god. You need to stop.
Oh, no way. Oh, no way.
You owe me a goddamn table!
No, we don't.
Look at the goddamn mess you made! All because you made your bring your mama!
I won't do it.
I don't care where you ate!
It was an idea. Oh.
I know why the Colts are dead on. Because... Dead on! Dead on! Get out of here, you motherfucker!
You're gonna give yourself a heart attack. Sit down.
Get on! Get on!
Oh,
Oh my god.
So here's the question. Now what are you gonna do?
I'm running on the floor! This ain't right, man. Look at my goddamn table!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Can we fix this?
Now what?
Now what? No problem. No fucking problem at all. No goddamn problem.
Let everybody take a good look at the big baby sitting on the floor.
Get out of here! Get out of my house!
I'm leaving.
Bye.
Complete.
Loser!